The Muslim Brotherhood's Freedom and Justice Party are set to take the most seats in the first democratic elections in Egypt for 6 decades. The runoff vote is part of a phased election that will run until January and is in turn part of a promised transition from military to civilian rule that should be completed in July following presidential elections in June. The electoral process is very good and well organised, and I hope we achieve our goal, God willing, said this voter. The Brotherhood, which was banned during Mubarak's 30-year rule, is looking to extend its lead over hardline Islamists and liberal parties, as well as strengthening its hand in any struggle with the ruling Army Council. Islamist parties are expected to do well, as they are seen as less corrupt due to their religious principles. The elections in the most populous Arab nation take place in the backdrop of social discontent, with military leaders recently criticised for a brutal crackdown on protesters.